Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome, which is www.moto-drome.com. Today we're going to take a walk around and a drive off this 2007 Land Rover Defender 90 TDCi XS station wagon. Hope you like it. Okay, let's take this 2007 Defender 90 TDCi XS station wagon for a spin. All the warning lights come up the way they should and go out the way they should, apart from the ABS light, which will stay on until we're doing 5 miles an hour, as is correct. Let it idle in neutral for a minute, see if we can hear any clutch rattle. This one is just about to turn over 145,000 miles. Good history, but obviously that is a fair few miles on this, but can't hear any clutch rattle at all. Aircon's relatively cold, not absolutely ice cold, but it's not bad. Okay, off we go. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating from the motor. I've done probably about 50 miles in this, all told. It drives absolutely fine. No funny noises. Usual slight rattle from the tailgate where the spare wheel's hanging on it. So yeah, no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. Engine isn't smoking horribly. Gearbox feels nice. Sometimes these, especially when they're cold, these Puma gearboxes can feel a little bit notchy. This one is no exception when it's cold. Once it's warmed up, it's okay. Got its original radio CD in it. I haven't checked the CD, but certainly the radio works. Yeah, the aircon's working well now. Say no rattles or anything, just the no suspension rattles or creaks or bangs. It's just the tailgate going on this very bumpy road, which is normal if they haven't got a spare wheel. Swing away mount. That's it. Swing away mount. Steer's nice, I'm not having to fight it down the road, it's going where it's placed. Trundles along quite happily. Now doing 60 miles an hour and it's quite happy. No death wobble through the steering or anything. Track's nice and straight. See what it's like under braking. Pulls up nice and sharp and straight as well. Also got ABS on this one. So I think there we have it really. There's not much more I can say about it, but drives fine. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. We can go to our website, which is www.moto-drone.com for any more information. Quick video so you can see and hear the engine running on this 2007 145,000 mile Puma. You can hear the air compressor coming in and out there. There we have it.